And hello once again, this is Ty, Tiger Goods of TigerGoods.com, and also known as the rock star Tiger Goods on YouTube. So today I'm going to bring you an update on our Super Saturday Sizzler show at GBO, where you can get a 50-seat, state-of-the-art web conference room for $8.97 per month. Now, is this the ultimate MLM opportunity? Let's find out. But first, hi to all my great friends who visit Tiger's GBO Today blog and watches his YouTube videos. Now that was an exciting Super Saturday Sizzler show today, as there were a record 589 people in the conference room. Our CEO Joe Tarian mentioned that we are here at a great time to market GBO conference for the next 10 to 12 days. On Monday and Tuesday, we can expect new lead capture pages that we can get add to our list as business is still scaling upwards. More conferences are being scheduled in the English, German, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish instant translation rooms. But today, we are being provided with a new set of slides to use on our websites that include information on our product-only website. GBO is still on its initial pre-launch phase, and it's a state-of-the-art, pure-play, proprietary system that is easy to use for webinars, and you can use it even on your Android smartphones. Yes, you did read that right at the top. You can become an internet rock star with your own internet TV show for $8.97 per month. So now is your chance to experience the power of GBO conference and web conferencing firsthand, where you can use the following features: show mode, video mode. You can have a 24-hour, 7-day sales machine. You can do 30-minute presentations. You can even do company overviews. You can get artistic and do product demonstrations. Review compensation plans. You gain instant credibility. You can add guest speakers. You have your virtual office. You can use GBO and GBO Conference for their outstanding customer support. You can also have, like I said, your own internet TV show. Three-way webcasting, perform conference calls, you get hands-on training, you can add certification programs, you can use recording features for your blog content, you can do product creation, you can do brainstorm and collaboration, you can use the desktop sharing features, you even have an electronic whiteboard for your PowerPoint presentations, and you can do illustrations in color, change the text, and use a bamboo pen. You also have control of a real-time chat window. Then you have a 4x matrix where you can, as the moderator, you can add up to viewable webcams in high definition. You can even broadcast your own singing and dancing talents to the world, just like a rock star. Now this state-of-the-art 50-seat web conference room can be yours, yes, for $8.97 per month. This is the permanent price, as the foundation is similar to GoDaddy and Netflix. Joe Tarian is going to be the next Bob Parsons, who is the CEO of GoDaddy of the internet, as he uses the similar formula that made GoDaddy the #1 in domain registrations, and also as Netflix has just about put Blockbuster out of business. Now remember, there is a one-time $30 setup fee, but you still get a lot of bang for your buck. So how can GBO provide this product to you at such a low price? And that's easy, says Joe Tarian, our CEO, who owns this data center in the Mecca of fiber optics in San Antonio, Texas, and their own code. Now this saves a lot of expenses because there is no middleman. GBO Conference is still in pre-launch for another 4 to 6 weeks, and we are looking for international business builders to make the most of this opportunity. Joe Tarian is the genius behind this phenomenal product and this opportunity. Now over the last 12 years, he has made millions by delivering rock-solid products, services, and training that people want and need to brand themselves and their businesses on the internet. GBO Conference is a rebranded standalone version of the hugely successful Hot Conference. Now you can still join Hot Conference for the old price of $44.95 per month, but in today's tough economy, why should you spend more than you have to? For those small mom and pop shops, those medium-sized businesses, and Fortune 500 sized companies that need more seats, there is an opportunity to upgrade to 100, 300, 500, even 1,000-seat conference rooms, still at amazing low prices. With that low entry price, joining GVO Conference at that price lets you become a product of the products. You will be able to use the promotional tools, and you'll get the training to sell GVO Conference to the masses. GVO is an opportunity that is perfectly backed, accepted, and used in over 190 countries. And Joel has made this a very affordable product that anyone with an internet connection can use and can be used on any system. You don't have to download anything like our competitors WebEx or GoToMeeting. Now that sounds like an amazing opportunity to me, and this is your chance to get in at the ground level before it is launched publicly. This product is good for businesses large and small, internet marketers, and anyone who wants to see and talk to their friends and family with its multiple webcam screens in high definition. And I know you're going to love using this feature during the holiday season, as it will be like having all your friends and your family sitting at your table for dinner. So if you're interested, then simply go to http://myprelaunchinvite.com and sign up for free to the early bird pre-launch list. If you need sponsorship to get in, go to http://tiger-goods goods.myprelaunchinvite.com/ which has a lot more information. So if you do have any additional questions, you can contact me on Skype at Tiger Goods once you have signed up, or even if you haven't and you just have more questions in general, yep, Tiger can help you out. So I look forward to seeing you join Joe Tarian and Team Tiger Goods on the Inside Circle of Success. Make it an awesome and most productive day, and go GVO. Once again, this is Ty, Tiger Goods of TigerGoods.com, also known as the Rockstar Tiger Goods on YouTube. Remember, sharing is sexy, and I'm elated to share this information with you today. Ciao for now. Have a good day.